Today we're solving one of the most frustrating errors you can encounter when extracting files, the WinRAR Checksum error. This error stops you from accessing your compressed files, and it happens way more often than it should. Let's fix this right now. By default, when WinRAR finds a corrupted file during extraction, it immediately deletes that file. But with the Keep Broken Files option, you can tell WinRAR to extract whatever it can, even if some parts are corrupted. Here's how to do it. Right-click on your RAR or zip file that's showing the error. Hover over WinRAR in the context menu and click Extract Files. In the extraction window that opens, look for the Miscellaneous section. Check the box that says Keep Broken Files. Then choose where you want to extract the files and click OK. WinRAR will now extract your files and ignore the corruption. You'll still see the checksum error message, but just ignore it and click Close. Now go to your extraction folder and check the files. In many cases, even though there was an error, most of your files will be perfectly fine and usable. If your RAR file is severely corrupted and none of the free methods worked, you might need specialized repair software. There are tools like Remo Repair RAR, EasyUs Fixo File Repair, or Disk Internal's Zip Repair that are specifically designed to fix corrupted archives. These are paid tools, but they have high success rates with severely damaged files. Download and install your chosen repair tool. Open it and add your corrupted RAR file. Click Repair or Fix and let the software work. Once it's done, save the repaired file and try extracting it. These tools use advanced algorithms to reconstruct damaged archives and can often recover files that seem completely lost. The problem might not be with your file at all. It could be with WinRAR itself. Try using an alternative extraction program like 7-Zip, which is free and open source. Download and install 7-Zip from their official website. Right-click on your problematic RAR file. Hover over 7-Zip in the context menu and click Extract Here or Extract Files. Let 7-Zip try to extract your archive. If it works, great. If 7-Zip can extract it but WinRAR can't, then WinRAR might have an issue and you should try reinstalling it. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. Now that you've fixed your checksum error, let's talk about how to prevent this from happening again. Always use a stable internet connection when downloading large files. Consider using a download manager that can verify downloads and resume if interrupted. Keep your hard drive healthy by running regular CHD CAS scans and checking for bad sectors. Keep your antivirus updated, but add WinRAR to its exception list. Always keep WinRAR updated to the latest version. And most importantly, back up your important archive files to multiple locations, like an external drive or cloud storage. And there you have it. Different methods to fix the WinRAR checksum error. Start with method 1 and work your way down until you find what works for your situation. In most cases, the Keep Broken Files option or the built-in repair tool will solve your problem. Remember, a checksum error doesn't necessarily mean your files are completely lost. It just means WinRAR detected some corruption. With the right approach, you can usually recover your files successfully. If this video helped you fix your checksum error, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Drop a comment below and let me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching.